How to create a wallet on Binance. Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily create a wallet on your Binance account. So let's just jump right in. First off, open up Binance application on your device, and you need to make sure that you are also logged into your account. Once logged in, you can find the homepage of Binance right here. And at the top, you'll have two options. So the first one is your exchange tab on the home screen. Then you will have your wallet tab as well. So go ahead and tap on wallet at the top to go to wallet. And if you haven't verified your account first, you need to complete your verification process. And once you go to the wallet option, if it's your first time, it's going to ask you to create a wallet or import wallet. So if you've previously created wallet, you can just click on import and import wallet from here via a seed phrase or private key. But if it's your first time, you can just tap on create wallet. Now verify your account. Now at the bottom, you can see wallet is being created. Now from here, you're going to have to verify with your passkey again. So tap on verify and provide your fingerprint here. Once you have done that, your wallet should be created. As you can see now, the wallet has been created and I just got the pop-up message that the wallet has been created. So that's basically it, guys. It's as easy as that. But again, you have to know that you need to be verified on Binance to create a wallet. So you can provide an official government ID or something similar to that to verify your account. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.